Good morning. Chances are you don't know me, but I wanted to respond to this situation with Weedkiller in the cereal. My name is Linda Borghi, and I am a farmer, and I've been fighting against Monsanto for 3 decades, for 30 years. I'm a podcaster, and I podcasted about this situation on August the 6th. I'm so glad that people are paying attention because now it's out in the mainstream media. But I want you to know that you have this weed killer in your belly right now. 100% of all the urine tested from Americans have the weed killer in your belly. It's killing the flora, the growth of good bacteria in your belly, and your belly is where your autoimmune system lives. They're now connecting Parkinson's to the gut. A lot of things go on in the gut. Now, what you want to do is get this weed killer out of your belly, okay? And there's nothing that can get that out other than a little pill that you could take once a day, 4 of these pills once a day for 6 weeks, and it's going to get 74% of that weed killer out of your belly. I'm going to post a website here, and it's farmer friendly. And you could check me out on Facebook, Linda with an I, Borghi, Borghi, or go to our website, farm-a-yard.com, FarmAYard.com, and you'll get a lot of information. The link that I'm giving you to the website, you pull those 2 reports off on the top and look at the date on them. This is not like a mystery, honest to God. Did you know that we've been using Monsanto's Roundup for 40 years, and the FDA has only been checking the levels for the last 2 years? I mean, it's frightening, but the point of the matter is, get it out of your gut, because it's everywhere. It's in the air. It's in the streams. It's in the parks where you run with your kids. It's on the side of the road. You cannot get away from the weed killer Roundup. So what do you want to do? What can you do? You want to get it out of your body. If you have a question about that, please just call me, text me, 845-545-0952. I will help you in any way that I can, because that's my mission. The mission of FarmAYard is to grow healthy people. Well, I hope you have a really blessed day, and I hope this information reaches you in good health and great spirits. You take care. I'll catch you on the flip side. And until then, go farm that yard.